welcome to a new segment on the Shamrock News called Evan's Lab. Oh wait, that's me. My name is Evan, and this is a segment where we talk about different science stuff that I've been doing. And today on Evan's Lab, we're going to be talking about what's a 3D printer. 3D printers are a new advance in technology. They allow us to make a lot of cool things and do a lot of cool things. You design stuff on your computer, then you put it into something called a slicer, which slices it into a whole bunch of little layers. Then you just put that into an SD card, plug it into your printer, and press print. Well, how exactly does it print? Well, it takes some plastic in a roll, and it puts it through a little motor with a gear that pulls it through into the hot end. The hot end moves around repetitively, making the object, and then moves up to make the next layer. By making layers, we make the object taller and taller and taller until we have the object completed. There's also a little nozzle, which is what spits out the plastic. We can view all the data on the 3D printer on a little control panel located in the back. Now this is a 3D printer that I built myself, and it's called the Creative Labs 3D printer. It can print 120 by 120 by 130 millimeters, which is about 4.5 inches cubed. It makes items out of plastic, carbon fiber, wood. It all depends on what spool of stuff you buy. There's a lot of different stuff you can make with a 3D printer. You can make a boat, a smiling cactus. You can make yourself. So yeah, I think 3D printers are pretty cool. If you ever want to see a 3D printed model, I usually carry one of these in my pocket. So come say hi to me and I'll show you one of my models. So I hope to see you again at Evan's Lab, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. See ya!